There's truly nothing better than setting aside some time to cozy up, journal, and clarify where you're going next. I recently did this, and let me tell you, it was glorious. Not just because I got a second to quietly think and journal while drinking my favorite tea by candlelight, my version of an oasis, but because of the clarity it offered me in where I want to go next. Being an intentional creative means living in alignment, checking in to make sure our life matches what matters most to us, questioning why we're doing certain things and if they match our lifestyle anymore, and eliminating the excess that's no longer in alignment. But how often are we actually setting aside uninterrupted time when we're craving clarity most to check in with our hearts, to reflect, release, and align with the life we truly desire? That's why I'm sharing my DIY self-led retreat guide. This is the step-by-step approach I took to create my own self-led retreat, and now you can too. Whether you're looking to reflect on the past year, dream into the year ahead, or simply reconnect with yourself, this guide is your invitation to slow down and tune in. This guide is your companion for crafting your grounding and inspiring retreat at your own pace. Inside, you'll find grounding practices and gentle prompts to center yourself, creative exercises and 20 journal prompts to release and process the time behind you, as well as 20 more forward-facing prompts and intentional practices to bring clarity to your goals, dreams, and desires. This guide is perfect for you if you're craving clarity and alignment as you reflect on the past and look ahead. You want to integrate creativity into your reflection and planning process, and you're seeking a slower, more intentional way to honor your goals and dreams. This retreat isn't about goal setting. It's about tuning in with yourself. It's about creating space to align your life with your deepest desires and values so that you can move forward with clarity and confidence. If you're ready to create your own self-led retreat at any time and as many times as you want, there are 2 ways for you to access this guide. You can join our community below here on Substack, which is filled with intentional, soulful creatives who want to live in alignment just like you. And the guide is included for free. Or use the link below for a one-time purchase just for this guide. Either way, I'm honored to be here to hold space with you, to be able to share this step-by-step approach I recently took that changed how I'm showing up in the world and allowed me to really tune in with myself so that you can also do the same.